how to fix RTC connecting problem on Discord on your mobile device. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. In the source bar, search for cellular data and then head over to it. Scroll down and you need to make sure that the data uses for the Discord application is turned off. Well, if it is turned on, then it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. So make sure that the data usage is disabled. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Search for the application Discord and then head over to it. Right here, all you want to do is click on Offload Apps. It will clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix RTC connecting problem on Discord. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.